In this lesson, you will learn the basics of customer service and customer satisfaction. Now, you might be asking what customer service really means. Customer service is an act of providing help or assistance to customers in order to serve their needs. Some examples would be to answer their questions or to resolve their issues and problems about a certain product or a service. Businesses need customers in order to thrive and earn money, which is why it is important to have excellent customer service so that they'd be able to attract new customers and keep the existing ones. With excellent customer service, customers feel that they are important and that the business is not only after the money. It also helps build long-term relationships and customer loyalty that will make the customers feel that they are valued and cared for. Businesses usually hire customer service specialists to take care of their new and loyal customers. So if you're interested in this kind of position, you can definitely help increase and maintain the business's or the company's level of customer satisfaction. Now, you might be asking, what is customer satisfaction? Customer satisfaction is a measure of how happy or fulfilled a customer is when doing business with a certain company. So it says a lot about their interaction with the company and with the customer service specialists. It usually starts with inquiring about a certain product or a service, choosing the right options, purchasing the product and the service, or the aftercare and the follow-up provided after they have tried the product or have availed of the service. You can help achieve the best customer satisfaction by providing excellent customer service and providing solutions to your customers' problems and needs. Aside from that, you can also help the business or the company achieve the best customer satisfaction by making sure that you put the customers in the front and center of everything that you do. Making an effort or going the extra mile or doing more of what is expected from you is also a positive impact to the entire customer experience. Now that the modern world has greatly changed due to the pandemic, it is more important than ever for businesses to provide excellent customer service. If you are in this position, you also have the responsibility to provide the best service you can provide. This is because customers are now very careful about spending their hard-earned money. They will not just spend their money at just about any company or business they will encounter. So the businesses that provide a high level of customer service are likely the ones where the customers will stay or continue doing business with. One of the most frequently used channels for businesses and companies to help the customers address their needs and concerns is phone calls or voice calls. I myself have worked as a customer service specialist in a contact center before, assisting customers over the phone. As a customer service specialist, I was able to assist several different customers with their bank accounts, their money, their funds, their deposit, as well as anything about account maintenance. I remember always having a fulfilling day at the end of my shift because I knew that I was able to serve my customers to the best of my ability. You too can be an excellent customer service specialist. In the next few lessons, you are going to learn how to handle a basic customer service inquiry call to kickstart your journey in the customer service industry.